In this lesson, we will focus on how to create a new presentation in PowerPoint 365, starting completely from scratch or by using available templates. This is one of the fundamental steps when working with PowerPoint and is essential for anyone preparing to deliver a clear and well-structured presentation. To begin, once PowerPoint is open, you will be given the option to start a blank presentation or choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. If you want complete control over your layout and content, selecting the blank presentation is a great starting point. After opening a blank presentation, the first slide will appear. Here, you can click into the title box and enter the subject of your presentation. For example, if your topic is marketing, you can type marketing strategy or any title relevant to your project. To add more slides to your presentation, simply press enter or go to the top menu, select the Home tab and click on New Slide. A new slide will be created instantly. You can repeat this process to build as many slides as needed, each one designed to cover different parts of your topic. If you decide to start a brand new presentation file at any point, just go to the File menu and select New. Then again, choose either a blank presentation or a pre-built template, depending on your needs. By following these steps, you will be able to quickly create a multi-slide presentation in PowerPoint. This foundational skill will help you structure your ideas more clearly and present them more effectively. This concludes the instructions on how to create a new presentation in PowerPoint 365. Mastering this will allow you to confidently begin building any presentation from the ground up.